Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we are going to learn how to add your Instacart shopper digital card to Apple Wallet. If you are not an Instacart shopper yet, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up. We will also put links in the description below for similar gig platforms for you to sign up and earn extra money. To start, open the app by tapping on it. Once the app is open, you will see several icons at the bottom part of the screen. Tap on the profile icon. Under Account, you will see an option for Instacart Payment Card. Tap on Instacart Payment Card. At the lower part of the screen, you will see a section for Digital Card. Below it is an option that says Add Card to Apple Wallet. Tap on Add Card to Apple Wallet. Here, you will see how you'll be able to check out once have added your digital card to Apple Pay. To proceed, tap on Add to Apple Wallet. Before you proceed, you need to verify your identity. Select how you wish to receive the one-time code either on your email or phone number. Then tap on Send Code. Once you receive the code, enter it. Then tap on Done. Now, enter your name and card number. Then tap on Next. Next, read the terms and conditions. Then tap on Agree. If you wish to set your digital card as the default card, tap on the button that says Use as default card. If you wish not to, tap on Not Now. Now, you will see that your digital is active and already added to Apple Wallet. That's how you add your Instacart shopper digital card to Apple Wallet. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.